Promise bukas, diet na talaga ako. Yan ang mga salitang maski ako mismo naloloko. Hindi ko alam bakit parang ang hirap naman ito. I have everything I need, pero bakit hindi ko natatapos hanggang dulo? Ako si Steve, and all my life, lagi ako nabubully because of my weight, because of my size. Pero hanggang ngayon, ningas kugon pa din ako sa diet. Ask ko lang, paano ba to? My love, we have different motivations to alter a behavior, a habit sa mga sarili natin. And one of the most common habit that we have is eating. Kasi sino ba naman ang hindi gusto yung kumain ng kumain? Pero not everybody is blessed with a kind of metabolism na kapag kumain ka ng kumain, di ka nananaba. Like me, 'di ba? Kapag kumain ako ng kumain, my love, I always bloat. Para akong balloon na binobomba. And it takes years, 'di ba? Para masabi ko sa sarili ko na yen, ang laki mo na. Let's dial it down. Come on, kaya mo yan. And the hardest part of doing that is always the start. Kung may mga tao na magaling sa simula, as in, kapag dating sa diet or kapag pinag-uusapan natin diet, the simula is the day one. And most of the people give up on day one. O diba, may mga tao na umaabot ng day 2, pero come day 3 talaga. If it's not within their hearts, if hindi, ewan ko kung hindi proper yung motivation nila, kung hindi talaga well-rounded yung concentration nila, on day 3, they will give up. Kasi I tried multiple times, diba, to embark on a journey called fitness. And most of the time, I end up losing. Losing the journey, losing the fight. I end up telling myself, ang dami ko. Myself lang pala, isa lang pala ako. I end up telling myself na, hey, gusto ko tong pagkain to. I've worked so hard. I'm so stressed. I deserve this. I really deserve this. So, nag-indulge ako sa pagkain. And, ito yung journey, katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina before we begin our show. It's the perfect example of Ningas Kugon. The fitness journey, the papayat journey, the diet journey is always a best example of how Ningas Kugon usually works. My love, you need support system. If you cannot do it on your own, you need support system. But most importantly kasi talaga, my love, you need to discipline yourself, and that is the hardest part of it all. Not really the actual journey itself eh. Hindi yung diet part eh. Ang mahirap, hindi yung parte you have to cut down sa rice kasi paborito mo yung rice, but to discipline yourself not to eat beyond the supposed eating hours, yung amount of food that you'll intake, telling yourselves na hoy, wag kang kumain ng ganito kasi kumain ka ng ganito kanina, yung mga ganyan. It's hard to discipline yourself kasi you feel like pinaparusahan mo yung sarili mo. That's how it feels like whenever you are on a fitness journey. Parang feeling mo, bakit ko pinaparusahan yung sarili ko na hindi ako kumakain ng ganito? Nagtatrabaho naman ako. Ang dami ko namang ginawang maganda. This is my reward to myself. If you won't discipline your brain that this is not a punishment but more of a self-improvement, then my love, you won't get past the day 3. I've done this one before. Yun talagang sinabi ko sa sarili ko, no, I'm putting my foot down. Na hanggang hanggang all meat lang ako. I'll let go of the rice for 1 week. Siguro kung kakain man ako in a week, once a week lang, but the rest of the days, I won't eat rice. I've done it before. So I think I can do it again. But, yun nga, we always fail on day 3. Because it's hard. My love, ganito, no? Do not beat yourself up. kapag hindi mo siya natatapos. Tandaan mo, you are not doing this for anybody. You are not doing this for people who thinks less of you just because you've gained weight. Hindi mo to ginagawa to please someone dahil ang perception nila of maganda at gwapo ay kailangan na balingkinitan yung katawan, kailangan may abs, kailangan flat yung tummy, kailangan na toned yung legs, kailangan may konting muscle sa braso. You are not doing this for these people. You are doing this for yourself. So you have to find it in you to ask yourself, ano ba yung motivation ko? Am I motivated to change my lifestyle or my habit when it comes to food because I've been bullied for almost my entire life because of my weight, or because I wanna feel better? Do you get me? Yung pagtingin mo, yung anggulo ng pagtingin mo sa rason kung bakit mo to ginagawa, that makes a difference. Kasi if you are doing this to get back to those people who told you na you are, how do I say this na hindi siya harsh, hindi siya blunt, na you are undesirable because of your weight, which is, alam naman natin, not true. Or you are doing this because this is your time to feel good about yourself, for your health, for your mental being, for your confidence to be boosted. Kasi my love, if you are just doing this to prove those people wrong, then they are right. Na ikaw din mismo hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mong as valuable and as worthy. Malaki man yun size mo o maliit. But if you look at it as a journey to improve yourself, not just because of your weight, not just because of your size, but your discipline in life as a whole, yung routine mo sa buhay. Kasi ang fitness journey naman po, hindi yan exclusive lang sa magiging korte ng katawan mo at the end of the day. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, I've experienced this one before. Even your mood improves. Yung grit mo to do work, yung grit mo dahil confidence ka. So, alam mo yon, yung confidence level mo when you do your everyday task, it lifts you up in a way. Kasi you feel lighter. You worry less. You are less lonely, less sad. It improves not only your physical being, but your quality of life. That's what I've experienced before. Though I haven't started on my own journey yet, but maybe we can do it together. Pero let's do it together, not because we want to please other people, but because we want to be better people. Naiintindihan mo ko, my love? It's hard because you are doing it for the wrong reason. It's hard because you are being motivated by the wrong reasons. So let's do it together with the hopes of having a progress sa individuality nating dalawa. Okay? Please, when you look at yourself in the mirror, see that you are worthy, regardless of your size, regardless of your weight. You are handsome. You are smart. I'm sure you are funny. I'm sure you're kind. All the things that a person would fall in love with. Do not think about yourself any less just because people look at you that way. Kasi those people na tumitingin sa'yo ng ganon, those people na nagsasabi that you are less desirable because of your physical attributes, sila ang undesirable. Sila yung mga taong hindi ka mahal-mahal. Not you. Klaro? Klaro.